After yesterday's FOMC meeting, Bitcoin has been crashing towards the downside. Yesterday, Bitcoin has been crashing with another 8% towards the downside, but I think that this is going to be a massive Bitcoin trap. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. The Bitcoin funding rates are looking extremely bullish. This is absolutely insane. At the same time, the Bitcoin CME gap has been getting filled. All of the liquidity is sitting at the top side. And there will be many more things which we need to discuss in today's update video. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, in the short term, Bitcoin has been falling back towards the downside. Why? Because of this FOMC meeting we have been getting yesterday. Jerome Powell has been explaining yesterday that they're not going to be interested in holding any Bitcoin in their reserves. So of course, this is going to be having a short-term negative effect on the Bitcoin price. Now, yes, I do think that a lot of people are panicking too much because I do not think that this is going to be a huge deal for the Bitcoin price. So I definitely do think that the market is seeing a little bit of an overreaction right here, right now. At the same time, if we're going to be having a look into the liquidity, there's no reason to be seeing a huge liquidation event right now at this current moment. If we're going to be having a look into the Bitcoin funding rates, the Bitcoin funding rates are literally trading at extremely low levels, even on Bybit, even negative, over on OKX, even negative, over on Binance at a neutral level. So yeah, Bitcoin funding rates still looking very good. People are shorting this Bitcoin pump towards the downside right now, which is a very good thing because right now more liquidity is getting built up on the top side. We are trading inside of a bull market, so it's going to be very likely that we're just going to be seeing some more short squeezes and Bitcoin is just going to be pushing even higher. Now, if we're going to be having a look into the Bitcoin price action, we're still definitely trading inside of a bullish structure. Yes, we have been breaking outside of this ascending triangle over here towards the down, towards the upside. We have not been getting this perfect retest and continuation. We have been falling down below it back again, but still we are holding this major uptrend over here right now, testing this previous level of resistance right now once again as resistance. Let's see if we can be breaking back above. If we can, that would definitely be extremely bullish. But however, I do want to be saying that Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend over here, and as long as Bitcoin is going to be trading inside of this uptrend over here, I'm still going to be remaining to be bullish on the Bitcoin price. We are exactly holding this level of support right now in the short term, and at the same time, yes, we are still trading inside of this parabolica. We are building this parabolica, so I think that a bounce is going to be inevitable and more moves towards the upside are also going to be inevitable. Now, it's actually quite funny because yesterday we have exactly been talking about this Bitcoin uptrend over here, that we are touching a major level of resistance and at the same time we are building these bearish divergences. So yeah, yesterday I've been talking about this fact that this is not looking very good for that imminent short-term Bitcoin price action, but if we're just going to be zooming out, if we're just going to be redrawing this support level ever so slightly, we can still be seeing that right now Bitcoin is getting supported, and yeah, we are still perfectly trading inside of this channel over here, and right now Bitcoin is just getting its bounce. So yeah, still looking very good. Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend. The Bitcoin liquidity is still sitting at the top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very bullish. We are just having a lot of momentum towards the upside inside of a bullish month, inside of a bull market. Of course, we are trading inside of the month of December. December has typically, historically speaking, always been bullish for Bitcoin in halving years and in election years. So yeah, history is just playing out. History is just repeating once again, just like this price action from over here. I do think we are about to be entering this parabolic stage anytime soon, that we are going to be seeing this huge lag towards the upside getting initiated, at least towards that 110k level. I've been talking about this level already for so many times. I think we're going to be easily hitting that 110k level, and after hitting that level, then we might be considering a little bit of a rejection, then we might be considering a little bit of a correction, but not yet right now in my opinion. The markets are not at all looking overheated, so there's no reason to be worried for me. So yeah, anyways guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now with this massive opportunity we are getting in the market, I've been opening up some new positions. I've been opening up some new position on altcoins. I've been opening up a position on Bitcoin as well. For example, I think that TIA is a massive opportunity right now at this current moment. I think it's way too undervalued at this current moment, so I've been scaling in towards a long position on TIA. So anyways guys, if you're going to be interested in trading as well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below you can be claiming some insane deposit bonus bonuses. And the best thing is you can be trading with no KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading over on Blofin with no KYC. No identity is required. Now, of course, do keep in mind, do check if it's going to be legal in your country. But anyways, everyone is going to be eligible to be signing up an account, claim these deposit bonuses, and trade over on Blofin, trade altcoins, trade Bitcoin. So make sure to be checking it out with the first link down below. Anyway, spot Bitcoin ETF inflows still looking very good, still looking healthy. We're still getting inflows, and I've been saying so many times, as long as we're still going to be seeing spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, I still do think that the trend will remain to be towards the upside. So still going to be bullish, still looking good. Altcoin season is about to be getting started anytime soon. Right now, we are retesting this break towards the downside, of course, if we're going to be having a look into this chart over here. We've been doing this same exact thing during the last cycle. We have been building this uptrend for the entire bear market and the entire cycle, but whenever we have been breaking this down uptrend towards the downside, that has been the moment where the altcoins really started to go explode towards the upside. So right now, we are about to be entering that moment, in my opinion. I've been making a dedicated video about altcoin season, why I think it's going to be starting. I will be uploading that video in the next couple of days. Anyways, Ethereum is still looking very good in my opinion. We are still about to be breaking this level of resistance, still waiting for this break over here. Whenever Ethereum is going to be breaking above this level of resistance, I think it's going to be absolutely exploding. So let's see when it is going to be happening. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.